Before Nigeria became the 36-state nation we know today, it was a land of just a few powerful regions, each with its own capital city, centers of politics, trade, and culture. In 1963, a new region was carved out from the west, the Midwestern region, with Benin City as its capital. Steeped in the rich heritage of the Benin Kingdom, this city was both a guardian of ancient culture and growing modern administrative center. From 1954 until 1967, Nigeria was divided into large political units called regions: Northern, Western, Eastern, and later Midwestern region. These regions were not just geographical zones, they were the engine of governance, economy, and identity. And at the heart of each region was its capital city. In the east, the capital was Enugu, the city built on coal. As the headquarters of Eastern politics, Enugu was a cultural heartbeat for the Igbo people and a symbol of industrial power, with coal fueling its region's economy and railway systems. Enugu was also the capital of the old Biafran nation. This city served as the capital of Biafra from 1967 to 1970. A war that lasted between the Biafrans and the Nigerian army. By 1967, Nigeria moved from these 4 regions to 12 states, eventually expanding to 36. But these old capitals remain important. Kaduna, Ibadan, Enugu, and Benin City still stand as regional giants, carrying the legacy of past political era. The Western region, with its capital in Ibadan, known for its cocoa wealth. Ibadan wasn't just the largest city in West Africa at the time. It was a thriving center for commerce, education, and political leadership, housing the famous Cocoa House and University of Ibadan. The northern region, the largest in landmass, with its capital at Kaduna, established as an administrative hub by the British. Kaduna became the seat of power for the north. Its strategic location made it a military and political nerve center, a role it still holds in northern Nigeria today. So the next time you walk through these cities, remember, you are stepping on the same streets where Nigeria's early leaders shaped history. Which of these old capitals do you think had the biggest influence on Nigeria's growth? Drop your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories on Nigeria's past.